welcome to AD Vlogs. So this video is about a very special, a very unique product, riding pant. It is manufactured by Armadillo. Their website is armadillo.in. So I will show you the unique benefits that this product will offer you. I ordered it online directly from their website. It is not available anywhere else like Flipkart, Amazon, or something like that, or any other websites that sell riding gears. It got delivered to Kolkata in only 4 days, so that was pretty satisfactory. It has an MRP of almost 6,5990, which is quoted on the box and will also be quoted on the website. But however, I managed to use a discount coupon which I will share in the description below, using which I got it only for 4,792 only. I don't know how long this particular code will be valid. So if you're watching this video then and you like the product, then you should try to buy it, order it as soon as possible before the coupon code becomes invalid. So this is what you get inside the box. I'll show you one by one what are these. These are the knee protectors. These are CE level 2 certified. Here it is, level 2. And these are by Seftec, which is an Italian company, Italian manufacturer. Then you get 2 hip protectors. These are again CE level 2 certified and manufactured by Seftec, Italian. And then you get this, which is a goodie. You can use it for multiple purposes, as a scarf, protecting your camera, covering your camera, as a bandana, and many other such things. And finally, this is the actual riding pant. Next, let's talk about the features of the pant and why I purchased it. Now, the previous part of the video I had recorded right after I had the product delivered to me, and this is now after 1 month of usage and after giving it a wash. When you are riding in the cities, especially in the summers, most part of the year it is normally very hot in India. Now for riding to your office or taking a short spin with your friends to the local mall or something, wearing those riding pants of Cardura, which are heavy, it's really not very comfortable. And apart from comfort factor, it is not very convenient to, it feels awkward, walking around with those heavy riding gears. So that is why this kind of riding pants, which does not compromise on protection in any way, gives enough abrasion resistance, and it is also very lightweight and breathable, which is comfortable in summers. So this kind of riding pants is something which I have been looking for quite some time now. This riding pant is made of something called para-aramid fabric, which is a type of fabric of which Kevlar, as you commonly know, used in bulletproof vests, etc., or parachutes. Kevlar is a trademark for this type of fabric, and it is manufactured by a company called the DuPont. Those who are familiar with riding jackets must have found brochures of this brand DuPont attached with the riding gears in the form of a tag. So this material, para-aramid fabric, it has a very high weight to strength ratio, and which makes this pant extremely light. As you can see, it looks like just normal fabric, a denim cargo pant. it looks like that, but it is much lighter as compared to even regular jeans that you normally wear. This pant is ideally meant for summer or hot weather conditions and short rides within the city, 10-15 kilometers, because in the city traffic your speeds are likely to be much lesser, and if any something awkward happens, something unfortunate happens, the impact is likely to be much lesser as compared to something happening at a high speed on the highway. Now I could have chosen the riding jeans which are normally available in the market from Soles, Zeus or other manufacturers, but I chose this one because of primarily 2-3 reasons. Firstly, those riding pants that you normally see, those have a very tapered shape towards the feet, near the ankle. This part, it is very narrow, and they are made of mainly sort of stretchable fabric which sort of sits very tight on your legs, which I personally do not feel very convenient. And this thing is like a normal cargo pant, which is a bit on the looser side, not actually loose, because if it's too loose then these things would become very non-functional, but yet it sits much easier on your legs. So that is the main reason. And secondly, just look at this, the way of with the way it is designed. These knee protectors, this can be simply slid in when you are riding, and after completing your ride you can simply take it out, and then it just becomes like a normal uh, pant that you usually wear, which is very comfortable, and the ease of use that is there. In case of the regular riding pants that we normally use, this thing cannot be removed as easily as compared to this, and it is not very convenient to walk around with these protectors inside when you are walking. This riding pant, while not compromising in any way on the safety aspects, because as I said, this para-aramid fabric that it is made of, it is sufficiently abrasion resistant. I shall come up with a video on this, the different types of riding pants and fabrics used for manufacturing jackets or riding pants, in a later video in some time soon. So this is how it looks after you wear it. Very comfortable. It is just like a normal jeans that you wear, but it gives me all sorts of protection what I need. Here are my hip protectors. Here is the knee protector. I can pull it out as I need and then put it back on very conveniently. So it's pretty fashionable, and when you are wearing it, there is no way one can readily say that it is actually a riding pant with all your protections on. It is just like a normal jeans or cargo pant that you wear. But at the end of all that I have said all through all this while, what I would like to mention is that this riding pant is not meant for highway rides where the speeds will be much higher. For those rides you need the regular riding pants which are made of Cordura fabric. This thing, even though it has a very good abrasion resistant properties, this has a lot of denim and normal cotton fabric, cotton textile added to it, which is of course less abrasion resistant as compared to the normal Cordura fabric, pure Cordura fabric that you see on the regular riding pants. So that was all about it. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please click on the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also hit the bell icon to get updates on the new videos that I upload. And if you have any comments or queries regarding this product, please feel free to mention in the comment section below. I shall try to answer as earliest as possible. Thanks for watching.
Shake it, baby.